Hi, good day. So many of you have been asking us for a little clarification as to how to make payments on our website. So this video is to guide you. Good day, I'm Adiola Reed, and we're going to do a short video on how to make payments easily on our website. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are at our website, which is www.studeemonkey.wordpress.com. Now once you are here, this will be the first page that you see. Alright, now most of you, if you're using your phones or some other device other than a computer or laptop, you would have to click on the menu button to see the different pages or tabs. Alright, so once you've done that and you know that you're looking for something in mathematics, for example, you scroll to the mathematics page and you will see that there's click here to order. Now this is an order form that we have for our products. Once you click on this order form, it will guide you to or prompt you to put in your email, to put in your name and contact information, and then you'll see all the products that you can choose from and choose your quantities, etc. Now the order form is especially for those who would like to order our physical products, and those will be our local customers, especially because we're not shipping physical products outside of Trinidad and Tobago at this time. So you can order both physical as well as electronic products using the order forms. Alright, once you've done that and you click submit at the bottom, so you'll see submit at the bottom here, right? We would then send you the three options for you to make payments, and you will choose which one. So what are those three options? Those three options are PayPal, WiPay, or we send you the bank information for you to make an online transfer. So there are many customers who prefer to go online and make their online transfer, and then there are also those who prefer to use their credit cards, and of course there are those who prefer cash on delivery, which is something that most businesses are trying to stay away from at this point in time due to COVID. So let's go to the landing page. So you would have seen this once you came on the site, right? And let's look at our mathematics practice test booklets, which we have been promoting over the past couple weeks. So especially for those in Standard 4 and Standard 5, students preparing for the SEA or who need some extra practice in mathematics, we have this special where 3 of the booklets are being offered for 120 TT. If you are a foreign customer, we also have US, and this will be the equivalent of 25 US. If you want to purchase either one of them, you can click on the image for either one, and you will be directed to our WiPay payment option. As I said before, it's WiPay, PayPal, or the bank credentials. Now, if you are a PayPal customer, you'll be very familiar with the fact that you need to have a PayPal account. So once you click on the PayPal link, you would be able to see where you need to log in. You'll see Studee Monkey and Associates is already set up for business with us, between yourself and us, and all you have to do is log in and do your necessary information, put in the necessary information, which will be the price, and to send payments to us. If you're using WiPay, I just would like to show you, because I know most people are not very familiar with WiPay, right? So oops, let me go back. So what I did here was to click on the image itself. Just want to make sure that you see that. Right, so you just click on the image itself. This is in the mathematics tab. So I'm here in mathematics, right? You're seeing the different images. So we click on the image and we're directed to the WiPay page. Here you can put in the price, which is $120. This is in TT dollars. If you're going to do your payment in US, then you would put in $25 US, right? The transaction has a fee, which you would add it to the above amount. So you click add to the above amount, right? Now here you need to put in your email address. Very important. So I'm going to put in mine so you'll see how everything works. Right. Once you've done that, if there's a message you'd like to send us, feel free to put in something here, right? If not, that's okay, you can leave it blank. Especially for those who are purchasing more than one item, it would be good that you put some information here so that we would be very sure as to what your transaction is for, especially if you did not use the order form. Alright, click next. Once you click on next, it's going to carry you to another page where you need to select whether you're using, I didn't click on next, right, whether you're using Visa or MasterCard. So here you see the fee has been added to the 120, and you need to select whether you're using Visa or MasterCard. So I'll click on Visa, continue payment, and just like how you would operate with any online platform where you need to make your secure payments, this next page is where you would have to put in your credentials, put in your name, address that is on your credit card, right? On your Visa, I'm using Visa, so the name and address associated with your Visa card, right? And whatever other information is prompted here for you to add in. So this is for Trinidad and Tobago. If it is not Trinidad and Tobago, you can click here and select which country your card is from. Card number, expiry date, security code, all the familiar information. And trust me, WiPay is very secure. Once you've done that, you click confirm payment, and once you've confirmed the payment, you would receive notification via your email. We will receive notification via our email, and that part of it is complete. Again, once you have put in your email, which is very important, we will be able to immediately send you your digital products that you've paid for. And that is it. So thank you so much for joining me here for a little bit of clarification as to how to make your payments via our website. And again, continue to shop and support Studee Monkey and Associates. Take care and bye bye. Be safe.